So I'm here at Frankfurt Airport, beginning my 3 weeks journey to Japan. I'm really excited because I think Japan is like really different to Germany, and so there might be a lot of experiences which I cannot get here, and I'm so excited about those experiences. And yeah, I'm very excited how I can get along with the Japanese people, as I don't speak Japanese. I hope there will be some good things I can show you. Enjoy. So I was just now at the toilet and it was amazing because I could like flush my ass and try it, and yeah, I would not have thought that it's so amazing to be able to do that. Yeah, first few hours here in Tokyo, and my first impression is it's very safe. Like after having been to Colombia or Mexico, it's just amazing. Like I can just go outside wherever I want, and I have no fear of being killed or being robbed or something, so I can be in the middle of the night at this park and feel totally safe. The next thing is, I feel the Japanese people are very organized, and everything went just smoothly. I could buy like the card for the metro system, I could get money, I could enter the country, and it was just smoothly. And I will make some videos the next days about more detail.
We must purify ourselves. So, people putting smoke on their body. It is great. People put the smoke on your body.
Yeah, which they went to New Zealand game yesterday.
myself, Mr. Confucius, yes, and this is the biggest Confucius statue in the world, sent by our friendly neighbor, Taiwan. Do well to get my new job, my new job transfer. And also I hope to get rid of all my fat around my stomach. And finally I'm hoping to have like a fantastic, nice new boyfriend. Yes. Yeah, maybe asking too much all the time. Proudly that you've been to Ameyoka already. Yeah. And like if you like maybe selfie or like if you like Japanese style, you should have yourself.
Will soon arrive on track number 3. For your safety, please stand behind the yellow line.
まもなく4番線を電車が通過いたします。危ないですが、黄色い点字ブロックまでお下げください。ご乗車ありがとうございます。
コンサートホールの天井の様子が映し出されております。ライティング、映像、音響、そして空調、香りといった最上の空間にお客様をお連れいたします。
Has no maps or routes. チームロボーダースには館内マップも順路もありません。Some of the rooms are hard to find. いくつかの部屋は奥まった場所に。
So the 2 first days of my travel in Japan are over now. It was very intense. It was like one unique experience after the other. It was like chung 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 chung, and yeah, it was like as I wished it to be. And today it's raining, and so I will do a more relaxed day. Maybe go to a museum or 2 museums before I will go to Shinjuku, a famous nightlife area of Tokyo, and I will try a famous capsule hotel. I'm very excited about it. And yeah, so more intense experiences are coming soon. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this first video about my travel to Japan. And actually I experienced so many things that I decided to make an 8-part video series. So there will be a lot of crazy and interesting things coming in the next videos. If you don't want to miss them, be sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.